if you read her introduction to Jacob Adler's memoirs, she talks about absorbing as a little girl. She says her first memories of a room was of a dressing room, and then she talks about watching this miracle, this man turn into another man. That sense of transformation. I mean, it's clearly in Stanislavski, but it's something I think that she had this visceral, indelible early experience of, and a passion for otherness, for transformation, for the capacity, the room that a human being has within the self to identify broadly.